Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. The first one is a panda. This is a panda. A panda is a wild animal. The next animal is a lion. This is a lion. A lion. The next animal is a camel. This is a camel. A camel is a farm animal. The next animal is a rooster. This is a rooster. The next animal is a tiger. This is a tiger. The next point is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. The next animal is a cow. This is a cow. The next animal is a tiger. This is a tiger. The next point is elephant. This is elephant.